What's going on, you wonderful people? I'm Brandon, and welcome to CraytonTv. So yes, are you ready to feel the power of PlayStation in the palm of your hands? Well, coming November 15th, 2023, the PlayStation Portal. Will you buy it? Let's talk about it. So yeah, we're going to talk about the specs of what PlayStation has to offer with the PlayStation Portal. Less than 2 weeks away. If by the time you're watching this video, it might be already out. Did you pre-order yours? Have you? But let's talk about the specs of what PlayStation has to offer. So November 15th pre-order day, we got the price of $199.99. Right now it is available right now on PlayStation Direct, Best Buy, Amazon, so you can get your pre-order in, maybe even GameStop also. Go ahead if you haven't pre-ordered already, pre-order. I got my pre-order in from PlayStation Direct. So it'll be here on November 15th. We're gonna be testing out the specs, the features, and see what it all has to offer. What else are we getting? We're not getting the headphones, the little earbuds. Those got pushed back 1 month, which sucks. They should have just brought it out at the same time. But hey, so now I can't get the full immerse technology of the PlayStation Portal. But we're going to pre-order those earbuds too, and then I can be able to bring you guys that kind of video and see how the sound quality is. You guys won't be able to hear it, but I'll be able to test out some features and see how the PlayStation Link feature works. But coming to the specs, with the PlayStation Portal, you'll be able to play anywhere. Remote play will allow you to connect your PS5 anywhere that there is Wi-Fi. Pretty cool. You already know how that works. So anytime you got PS remote play, as long as your PlayStation is in rest mode, remember that your PlayStation has to be in rest mode. That way you can access it and be able to use PS remote play. But if your PlayStation is turned off, I've done that before with the backbone, ain't do nothing because the PlayStation won't power on. So what else are they offering us? They're offering us a 1080p 60 Hertz display. 1080p. Oh, that's gonna suck. Because they could at least gave us like 120, you know what I'm saying? I know it's not gonna be 4K because the iPhone, you can play at 4K, you can play PlayStation remote play on iPhone at 120 Hertz, but it's cool. 1080p, I'm not gonna be too nitpicky about it. It's whatever. So, we get 1080p Hertz display. Okay, it's cool. LCD touch display. Okay, it's gonna be an LCD touch display. PlayStation Portal has a vibrant 8-inch liquid crystal display with full touch compatible. Okay, 8-inch screen. A little bit bigger than the iPhone one, but 8 inches I can do about an okay, well, we're gonna see how that is. LCD touch display. Okay, I like that. 8 inches. All right. We're also gonna get a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Okay, so you can plug other headphones into it, 3.5, but they should have just brought us the PlayStation earbuds right now, but those don't come out until December, like 6 or something like that. So I'm gonna get those locked out on pre-order also. If you haven't pre-ordered yours, there will be a link to it down in the description box down below where you can just go sign into your PlayStation Direct. I'll leave a Best Buy link if they have it on there already, or Amazon link down there. There will be some links down there if you want to purchase it. None affiliated. Maybe the Amazon one probably will be affiliated links, but they will be down in the description box. So here we are. PlayStation is going to offer a PlayStation Link. The PlayStation Portal supports a new wireless audio technology with PlayStation Link that allows for lossless and low latency sound with PS Link supported devices. So that's something new. So maybe we might be getting a new update on the PS5 already, to bring in the support for the new lossless PlayStation Link audio technology feature. But we don't get the headset yet because both of the headsets, the earbuds and the new PlayStation Pulse headsets, come out in December. So you can't test out the features and see how that works and see how this really sounds. The earbuds I'm gonna get, the headset, I don't know. Leave it down in the comment section down below and let me know if you want me to grab the PlayStation Pulse headset just to test them out and do a review on them. PlayStation Link, I'm excited to try that out. Let me know what you guys think about it. Will you guys be purchasing it? The PlayStation Portal also is going to offer adaptive triggers. Okay, cool. Adaptive triggers. I don't use them anyway. I turn them off on the PlayStation. I don't know. It feels weird on certain games and aspects of my ratio. Maybe I'll have to test it out again and see. But now we're playing with the DualSense controller, DualSense Edge. Everything's more like different. So yeah, with the PlayStation PS5 DualSense Edge, I really don't use the adaptive triggers features. I'll probably try it out again for certain games and see how it is. But once I did try it out the first time, I probably didn't like it. So maybe they did an update to it and improve the technology of the PlayStation adaptive triggers. So let me know if you guys want to see a solid video on that. Leave it down in the comment section down below. What else will we get? Here's the backbone PlayStation controller, which I can't wait to compare this to the PlayStation Portal. So with the PlayStation Portal, they just basically taken this and this, merging them together, and now you got an 8-inch screen. You know what I'm saying? So it's just basically like, bam, 8-inch screen. You know, this is for the iPhone. I've been doing great quality with this. So I can't wait to compare the PlayStation Portal to the PlayStation Backbone controller to see how they also work. Because, you know, you can play with this anywhere, but you can play more games on this because it's connected to your phone. You can connect to your iPad, your MacBook, and the PlayStation Portal is only PlayStation Remote Play. So let's see how that's actually going to work, today's technology. I'm just excited to wait for it to come. A lot of people are not really excited for it, but I am. I'm excited for the PlayStation Portal. I wish we were getting the earbuds for it. But let me know what you guys think about the PlayStation Portal. Did you pre-order yours? Will you be copping it? Let me know down in the comment section down below. Me, I will be getting it on November 15th. PlayStation is really good with sending their stuff out on first day. I remember when I pre-ordered the PS5 DualSense Edge controller. I got it literally on launch day, like in the afternoon, so which is pretty cool. So once I get the PlayStation Portal in hand, I definitely will be making a video on it, bringing you guys all the specs, comparisons with the Backbone PlayStation controller, bringing out more features. And then once the earbuds come in, and I pre-order those and they come in next month, I will be bringing you more features of how to do the setup, PlayStation Link, how it actually works on the PlayStation Portal, and then see if the sound quality actually changes. So let me know what you guys think about the PlayStation Portal. It's coming November 15th. Are you excited for it? Have anything else you guys want to know about the PS5 DualSense? Let me know about that. More videos is on the way. It's November. Wow, it's November. The year is almost up. Going by pretty fast. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like this video, subscribe if you're new. PlayStation Portal, November 15th. Hope you are ready for it. Stay tuned. Other than that, I'm Brandon. Thanks for watching Crayton TV, and God bless. Peace.